Hello, this is Leicester Police Chief Jim Hurley with a reminder that tomorrow, Wednesday, September 6, 2017, marks the beginning of the Paxton Street Road reconstruction project. Reconstruction will be underway from Old Main Street at Washburn Square to the Highland Street, Leicester High School area. If you are driving in this area or delivering or picking up children at schools, you should use extra caution and build extra time into your commute. If you have any questions, you can check the Leicester Police Department website for updates at www.leicesterpd.org.